Okay guys, we got this Audi RS6 right here. I came out to scan it, but the battery was completely dead. So, put my battery maintainer on it. Let me grab the keys real quick. Like I said, it's an RS6. I don't know what year this is. What year is this? 03? I think they said it has like a cam code. Let's see. Let's turn the AC off. Let's put these windows down. Man, it's really hot today. Hopefully this auto IDs. Guess we can start it up. Oh, I heard timing chain rattle a little bit there. I think they said they were going to go get timing chains done on this. Let me scan this VIN and get this ID'd, and then we'll see what kind of codes it has. Check engine light is on right now. It's hard to see, but it is on. Okay guys, so I scanned the car. See if this will focus. So we got a bunch of codes here. We got bank to exhaust cam position sensor, open circuit or short to battery positive. Exhaust gas temperature sensor, open circuit or short to battery positive. And then we got this. I wonder if that exhaust gas temperature sensor is bad. I know the let's see how many miles are on this. 58,317. 58,317. Let's go back. Let's do a quick erase. And this probably won't be that quick, so I'll let this erase. And then we'll start this up and we'll see what's going on here. Okay guys, so cleared all the codes. Start this up. I see that extended crank that we had. Let's go into our ECM. I just want to make sure the codes that we had were legit codes and not something caused by like low voltage. Okay. Open or short circuit to battery positive. Okay, we got an exhaust gas temp sensor code. So let me go look up these codes and repair information, and so we can get an idea of what's going on. I think they're probably gonna be, it might just be bad sensors. Okay guys, so when I looked this up in Protoman, no wiring diagram. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna have to go underneath like a S6, and then we'll have some wiring diagrams here. All data had some stuff, but it's like missing a bunch. So I'm gonna look this stuff up in here and print this out. Okay guys, so there's not a lot of room here to work, so we gotta take all this stuff out. I already loosened this up, so we can take this off, but we gotta get this whole intake system out. So we get to our sensors. I think our sensors are in the back side of this motor, so that's where we gotta go, and then we'll see what's going on here with this sensor. Okay guys, so got the intake off, got my probes on here. This is battery positive going to our sensor right here. Here's our sensor. I have it unplugged right now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's unplugged. We got our power and ground, and if we look at our scope, you guys can see this or not. I don't know if this is going to focus, but we got battery voltage on our yellow trace. We're at, well, battery's dropping now. Let's start this up. I'll show you guys. Okay. There we go. It's running. So we got battery voltage there, 12.18. I think this alternator is shorted. You can see the voltage going up, or the battery shorted, because it was pulling 45 amps on my charger and it got really hot. See, we got 5 volts on our green trace. It's unplugged. So I plugged this back in. I tried to record this first, and I guess I must have stopped the recording by accident. Can't connect this up. There we go, that's connected back up. And you can see, it sucks with the glare. Turn the brightness up. See, we're at 5 volts. And there you go. I can give a little tug on these wires, make sure that nothing's like broken. Let's take these all back off. The reason why I use Phillips probes is these harnesses get really brittle on these things, and trying to back probe through this rubber connector, yeah, nothing seems loose, and it's on all the way, it's seated. So yeah, need the sensor. And as far as the EGT, these things go bad all the time. I'm not even going to try to like mess with this boot. The solder breaks on them, I think, and I'll show a video fixing that if I get to that. If I get that far. So I hope you guys like this one. It's a quick one. Needs a cam sensor that'll fix the timing code, or the camshaft sensor code. See you guys later. Okay, guys, I got the EGT sensor open. What I did was I just cut around it with a knife, cutting around this edge. Let's see, took the knife and I just stuck it like this and came all the way around, like just tucking it in, and just kept slicing to get some of the glue out. And I just pried it off with a screwdriver. Came off pretty clean. There's a little bit of like breaking, but I think we did pretty good. And it almost looks like, it's hard to tell. Trying to see if that solder joint's broke right there. It looks like we got a bad solder joint right there. It's just hard to tell. I think what I'm going to do is just reflow these two solder joints and see if our code goes away. And actually, guys, it looks like it's cracked right here too. At the connector. You guys see that? This one right here looks like it's broken. So I'm gonna get that cleaned off. We'll solder these and we'll see if it fixes it. Okay, guys. So I cleaned it off pretty well. I think we should be able to solder these. I just scraped the stuff out of the way. I really think that these solder joints are correct. I wish I could take this off and look at it under a microscope, but I can't do it because it looks like this piece is molded in, so I'd have to desolder these to lift the board out. So either way, they'd have to be resoldered. So let me get a soldering iron and we'll resolder this. Okay, guys, so I resoldered these. You can see that. Let's see if we can zoom in. I resoldered them. I put flux on them. I don't see any more signs of cracking. It's hard for me to use my phone and see this, so maybe you guys might see a problem and you guys can point it out to me. But I'm not seeing a problem in here. Come on, why is this so hard to focus? But yeah, I'm gonna plug this back in and we'll see if our code goes away. Okay guys, I jump started the car because this battery's shorted. Waiting for the card ID. Once the IDs, I have it running. Mass airflow sensors are unplugged, so we should have code for the mass airflow sensor. EGT is plugged in. Don't have the cover on it, but we should. It's got a control unit, engine. We may have to clear codes. We might have some like low voltage codes or something. EGT Sensor. We clear it while it's running. Okay, so I don't see an EGT sensor code. Let's took my jump pack back up. Put it on boost. I want to shut the car off and restart it. I want to see if we get our EGT sensor code. No EGT sensor. Let me make sure that I should probably get my battery maintainer out. Let's put this on boost. We'll shut the car off for a couple seconds. We'll let this maybe let this time out. See, it's draining my jump pack down pretty quickly. Let's start this up. So like I said, this thing's shorted. I'm thinking we fixed it. Yeah guys, I think we fixed it. That is awesome. Because we don't have that code anymore. So I'm gonna pot this thing back up. I'll shut the car off. I'm going to seal this thing back up, and then we'll jump start this car again, and we'll see if the code goes away, or if the code comes back. There we go guys, so I potted it back up. I just used hot glue right over top of it. That should be good. I'm going to seal this up with hot glue too. Just going to go around the whole side. I use black hot glue. So there we go. So it squeezed out the sides a little bit. Just holding it together, making sure that it stays on there good. And it should be good to go. I went all the way around the sides. That way it can still probably be easily opened. So I'm going to get this bolted back up. Okay guys, got that bolted back up. Let's put our jump pack back on. Oh, it's still on. Let's get a boost. Oops. Seizure warning. There we go. Should be on. Let's see. What if it's There it is. There we go. There you go guys, look at that thing come back. I'll let this run for a couple minutes and then we'll check it while it's running. Okay guys, the car's been running for a couple minutes. Let's just check this again. It probably won't start if I shut it off. Yeah, I think we fixed it. So I'm gonna let them know. Yeah, it's not gonna start. I'm gonna let them know that if it happens again, that well, if the other side happens, because we had that pending code for the other side, that we're gonna have to fix it too. So hopefully you guys like this one. See you later.